I have like accused my mom of cheating because like my dad is a dentist and we were at his clinic, and right opposite his clinic there is a house where clothes were hanging, and there was a gown which my mom has the same gown, and I was like, क्या कर रही थी तू? तेरे कपड़े क्यों सूख रहे हैं? And she's like, would I stay so close to your father's clinic if I was cheating?
And go there and wash clothes.
And hang it on the
So
side.
sexy. Hi guys, welcome back to Moment of Silence Pod. I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
I'm Naina Bhan.
And I'm Pavitra Shetty.
We're so excited to have you.
Same here. Yeah, we're talking in front of a camera for a change.
Our goal is to be one of Pavitra's many best friends by the end of this
It will
episode.
happen very quickly.
How many best friends do you have?
Double-digit numbers.
Oh.
It's-
Your
That's it.
bachelorette trip is gonna be crazy.
You know, sometimes I'm like, I can't get married because it's going to be really tough to like manage all of this, and how will I even pay for so many people? Like, it's crazy. Like, then I have to like just be like, I have to get married to probably a hotelier. So then everything will be taken care of. It's just like, and I'm like, oh, but if I call this friend, then that friend won't be okay with it. And I'm like, it's better not to get married. Why stress? Put yourself through so much stress.
You do so much for the people.
Yeah.
Yeah, just gotta
I
stay
can't
single.
believe you're forcing her to marry a hotelier.
So, some exciting news which you do not know, but we would like to tell you now. So, we as Moss are working on a new IP.
We are working on it together.
Yes.
I am writing for these beautiful women and making them look more beautiful and more smart and more funny. And
Emphasis on smart. She's like, they need to look smarter.
so, yeah, watch out. We'll be in it. And we're not revealing any.
Are we revealing the name?
No.
No.
Nothing.
But how's it been like working with Moss?
With only the best team in the world.
Best team. Yeah, it's amazing. Except that the office is in Andheri, but everything else is amazing. Love it. Just because then we could meet more often, is why.
We can always meet in Bandra. Nothing is stopping any of
yeah.
us from meeting that side. Except that she has too many friends and we won't make it to the list.
No, I'm telling you, it's very easy. I have, like for women, so besties are very fast. Men,
like
I make them go through like a little
A
rigorous
friendship
process.
slut, huh?
Yeah, full on, dude. I wanted to name my show Friend Slut, but then I thought very different audience will come,
Yeah.
so I avoided. And then I named myself Extravert, and then people didn't get it. So then it became Your Next Best Friend. And then people genuinely believed me, because after the show they would come to like hug me, and like men, and I'm like, you don't get boob to boob touch. So like,
What's the secret to getting Pavitra as a best friend?
I think just show up when I'm free, because I'll be less free than you, and
All y'all unemployed.
you unemployed. You have to be unemployed to be my best friend. Don't be a hypocrite, and be accepting of my other best friends. Don't be an insecure bitch. Gia, if you're watching this.
But I would be insecure. Like
Yeah.
if somebody had like 1-2 other best friends, I would be like, "ठीक है, I understand.
हाँ.
All adults need to make friends."
Yeah.
But if you have like 30 best friends,
But the thing is, I ensure that I will reply to you immediately. Like if you're not, if I'm slacking as a best friend, then you should feel insecure. But if I'm like available all the time, I'm there for you. So then, what's the complaint?
Why are you looking at me?
No,
I
I'm
do respond to your texts pretty promptly, unless I'm sleeping. Every night at 11 p.m. Naina sends me a new dessert combination.
That you're making, or
no,
just like,
I think of it in my head and then I order that. So I make sure that it is two pieces of food that have to be ordered from two different places.
And whatever your dietary restriction, Naina has a banging combination for that dietary restriction.
I'll tell you my latest find,
Yes.
okay? And it's a very depressing time, so I
Yeah.
need sugar. I've been like eating a lot of sugar over the last few days.
do you have to be only depressed to have sugar? Because why am I having it irrespective
She's
of
so
my mental
depressed.
health?
So I love like kunafa, that Dubai
Ooh,
chocolate
yes,
pie.
yes.
And it seems like the most calorie heavy thing.
Correct.
So I found this like vegan chocolate cookie that's made with like bajra or ragi or something,
Yikes.
with coconut and
Sounds
some
horrid.
natural sweetener.
Yeah.
But so with that, if you heat it and it's hot, it doesn't
Yeah.
taste that healthy. And then there's this brand called Ziaho, which is an Indian brand of chocolate. And I just saw yesterday that they make a pistachio paste.
Ooh,
So when
you're
I
a
saw
pista
that,
girl.
bro, in my mind, I was at Food Square. I was like,
Let's mix it all together.
and I made the combination, and it is lethal.
Whoa.
It's
I
too
have
good.
a dessert which is simpler than this. It's just Amul ka vanilla ice cream and bourbon biscuits. Like just crush it and put it in, and it's like, what did she give us? Like it's sugar max and easier. Just one step of throwing it in.
You're that person that parents warn their kids about. Right?
Yeah, I am. I'm the worst person. Like anyone who's healthy in the group, they just are like, stay away from us. Like, and Shrija and I both, like, we love our desserts, and like in our group, like Shammik is a health freak, so he'll look at us, and because actually when he sees our food, he gets tempted. So then he hates us for that, and he judges us like, yuck, what are these girls doing? And we're like, sorry, what are you saying? Just in our mouth.
In this vein, okay, all comedians are very kind of mysterious about their personal lives. Can you tell us one factoid about each one of them?
Ooh.
That is like no one would know. Not no one, but
yeah.
Yeah.
Someone. Otherwise, you're like, nobody knows
Nobody
about this. She
knows.
making up shit. Yeah. Like,
Something about Shrija.
oh, Shrija has this weird thing where she wants a window open at all times, okay? And it is hot in Bombay. And the thing is, she's younger than me, so she's not getting hot flushes. Like, and I'm just like, bitch, we need the AC. But she will like, shall we crack it open? Kuch mausam bada suhar. I'm like, don't romanticize the wind outside. And the thing is, she's so cute and she'll keep asking, okay? So she doesn't take no for an answer, but like she understands no means no, nothing like that.
Shrija, that's gonna be the thumbnail. Shrija doesn't know, no.
So, but she'll keep like saying like, why don't we, even with desserts, so both of us love desserts, and like suppose her heart is set on this one dessert, okay, and she'll be like, oh, we should get this, but everyone else on the table is like, but this one sounds better, because we'll like all the chocolatey one, but she wants the banana bread thing, and I'm like, what are you, 2 years old? Like, why are we having banana bread, right? But then she'll be like, y'all are sure kya y'all don't want this? क्या मैं order ही कर लूँ? And like she'll say it in 5 different ways, and we're like, you know you're going to get it. So she's a dessert whore and a window down whore. So yeah,
Love that.
she can't.
I'm an AC person also, so my house is so cold all the time. And then one time I didn't even know this was an issue, but then one time Karima and Naina were chilling in my living room, and I was like, it's kind of cold, should I switch off the AC? And then they both were like, yes, please. We went.
See, in Sakshi's house, Sakshi का राज है.
Yeah.
हाँ, और कहीं भी जाओ तो साक्षी का राज है.
But this also happens with people who are really nice to each other and nice in general, where you want to like you'll freeze yourself to death. So like when Shreya Priyam, like she another one of my best friends from Delhi. So when she comes to Bombay, she's staying with me, and then like we'll keep fighting. Like we both are feeling cold, but then we're like, what if the other person, we don't want the other person to sweat? And the thing is, both of us were feeling cold full night, and we were not able to sleep. And then the next day, we were just like, keep switching it off and switching, even if it's 100 times in the night, do it. So this is what happens when two nice people get together, both are suffering.
I'm not nice. I switch it on and
Karima, Naina.
Karima and Naina. And they both like genuinely, I walked into that room and just asked like, should I switch it off? And the way like at that point I realized they were pale and shivering with the cold. Before that I was
They're
like,
why do they always hug and sit in my house?
That's why I never wear a bodysuit to Sakshi's house, because you have to keep going to the loo to pee. It's so cold. Okay, Shreya and Omkar.
Yeah, Shreya and Omkar. Shreya loves delaying a bath. she just is so lazy about it. She's like, maybe after half an hour, and then like she seems like really sure about it, and and I have OCD, so I'm like very like, okay, plan, meticulous, let's go, this. And then she'll make me also chill. Like, she's super chill about everything. And it just like, it's very contagious. And you will be like, yeah, maybe we should just chill. And she loves a nap. And like,
I
she.
love how Shreya is never going to come on this spot because Pavitra was like, नहाती नहीं है, सोती रहती है.
नहीं नहाती है but बहुत delay करेगी उस नहाने को. She's like maybe after like 13 minutes. Like, we should do this after 14 minutes. And it's, yeah, one is that for sure. But what was the other thing? Yeah, she used to have this one phase where she would have an English word of the day where she's like, I have to use this somehow in my sentence in that day. And the thing is, like, when I go to Delhi, I like talking in Hindi because, like,
You're
ज़्यादा
so
मौका नहीं
cultured.
मिलता. And for some reason, I'm like the South Indian who talks in Punjabi Hindi in Delhi, which is like, I don't know what is it, but I'm just like, oh, even
Chetan
like,
Bhagat's wet dream.
that is true. Like, even in my set, when I was like imitating my mom, it was a Punjabi accent, and like my comedian friends were like, why is your South Indian mom saying tusi wusi? It just doesn't make sense. So yeah, so I'm talking in Hindi, and then suddenly she'll throw like a big English word and look at me like, yeah,
I did
know,
that.
I know English, okay, मुझे भी आता है. So
But is there a ethics of like this friend ka, like if this friend tells you some info, you can't tell the other
oh
friend?
yes. So it's like if someone has said this can't go to someone else, like I take it to the grave. Like literally, I don't discuss it with them also. So it's like sometimes they're like, what? And I'm like, sorry, what? And they're like, listen, don't make us feel crazy. We did discuss this, right, with you. So unless it's like something like a friend who's like super non-connected to this group, and like I need some advice with respect to that, or I need to process something, and I can't like burden that friend. So which is why like, when like we love gossiping, everybody loves gossiping.
अब हमको मत जोड़ो. हमको मत जोड़ो.
हमने किया
We are anti-gossip.
हम राइटिंग प्रोजेक्ट के like बहाने से gossip
I love
करते हैं.
gossiping. We all love.
We all love, everybody. Cameraman is also gossiping right now. So like the thing is, but I won't tell things which are not supposed to be told, and it's mostly about people we don't know, like Bollywood gossip or whatever. So but then there'll be people who will be like कि पवी को मत बताना, वो जाके सबको बता देगी. And I'm like, bitch, I wouldn't have so many friends if I went around telling people. And these are the same people who will meet me and then they'll be like, कुछ gossip बताना. I'm like, you can't be both. You
Yeah,
have to
you have to
pick
pick a lane.
one lane. Like, it's like you got to do it correctly.
Yeah.
You got to gossip, but do it correctly.
I think there are ethics of gossip. I think
Yeah.
if you don't say names,
yeah.
it all flies.
Ooh.
I have one ethic, which is that you cannot take the gossip seriously. You leave the gossip at the table and you go home and you don't
Yeah.
form opinions on the person.
Correct.
Yeah, but if it's juicy gossip, I think you can spread it.
You can spread, but again, it's a make believe
Hearsay.
land.
Yeah, it's
Like, and
hearsay.
especially Bollywood gossip is like something you will never have 100% confirmation, right? Like,
Yeah.
it's only hearsay. So everybody will be like, tell us, and then when I tell them, it's obviously it's very scandalous because
Yeah.
we civilians compared to them are we're like, oh, what is this, right? And then all my friends will be like, kuch bhi tu bana ke bolti hai, and I'm like, that's the fun of gossip. It should not be believable. And I have no idea. Like, y'all are asking, I'm telling, just accept it. Why? It's so much fun to just accept it for what it is, then questioning it. And then eventually we got proof for a lot of things, which I'll tell you all later. But yeah, then they were like, you were right. I was like, always.
My favorite
Yeah.
thing is that like Indian relatives, right? They are so prudish. Like till you're in your 40s, when there's
Yeah.
a sex scene on TV, they'll make you close your eyes or they'll leave the
Yeah.
room. But with Bollywood gossip, everyone suddenly they're like,
Yeah.
okay, who is in an open relationship? ये swinger
Yes.
है, इसने इसके साथ ये किया, वो किया, affair पे affair चल.
Yeah, actually,
Are they dating?
yeah, it's never dating, it's affair. Like,
Affair.
I'm like, yeah, that is a relationship. I don't think that is an affair.
Can I tell you the way? Like I went to my aunt and uncle's house.
Yeah.
Retired for 20 years. They have Bollywood gossip. I was like, how do you have it? Their children are working on set, and in their
Ooh, yes.
retirement circle, we have found out that this actor's wife has shown up because he is having an affair with this person. I was like, damn, I should sit here and find out because I have no idea.
Ooh.
But now Bollywood gossip, I think, is kind of like everyone's like हाँ सुना हुआ है सब कुछ हो रहा
हाँ
है.
सेम ही हो रहा है, सब कैसे सो रहे हैं एक दूसरे के
हाँ.
साथ, कोई जगा हुआ भी है कि नहीं.
देश जाग रहा है पर ये एक दूसरे के साथ सो
गोल
रहे हैं.
है ना. She brought it in.
Sentences I never thought I
More,
would.
yeah, more a political podcast now. I love it.
Desh जाग
I
रहा है.
had to try.
It was a classic. So now my friends have resorted to asking content creator gossip.
Oh,
But this
yeah.
feels like
They're close
ये
to
मेरे
home.
कॉम में आ गए ना.
Can I tell you guys what's happening on the Alliance? This is
Yeah.
now this episode is coming out much in the future, so all of this
Yeah.
is so stale. But I'm just like Suhail Khan and Seema Sachdeva on that show.
Yeah.
I never thought the romantic angle of the Alliance would come from Suhail Khan's love life, and I don't think he's realizing that the cameras are surveilling them 24/7. Anytime they turn to him, he's giving his full family story where he met Seema. Then this is the conversation he had with her father. Then they got married at this point, that point. I'm like, everyone in the Khan parivar is sitting there be like,
इसको बाहर निकालो.
हम कब से छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, and they're like कि आपको भी आपके देश को सर्व करने के लिए बाहर बुलाया है. And then
I did not understand that.
that was Ravi
Ravi
Kishan.
Kishan.
He's Alliance only. No?
Yeah.
Yes.
But why did they call him out? According to
They
According
said
to
that-
them, they said देश के लिए उनको सर्व करना पड़ेगा तो उनको बाहर आना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
Like immediate services needed. So, yeah.
But he was. I'm only on the 3rd episode of Alliance, but he seems like he's really invested in the game.
He's so invested. He
His
is.
daughter is also in
Yeah,
the game,
yeah.
which so I haven't watched it, but like everybody talks about it, and that's my only like hearsay, right? And like Sumaira was just like he's so disconnected with his daughter, but he cares, and like she's crying, and he's like, "तुम रो रही हो?" And that's it.
Yeah.
Like, he just like describes what she's doing, which is
That's
crazy.
that's my other thing.
literally how my dad, like I was watching it and she's like, why would you do that? And she's like, don't question me, and she storms off and he's like,
okay.
But I guess like it's like this is the first time I'm spending so much time with my relative
Ooh.
since the lockdown, you know. Like I'm getting to know them in this 24/7 space. And that was his big emotion. That's also Sohail Khan's big thing. He's like, I haven't spent this much time with my own family, you know, and you're thinking about life and how it's just passing by you and your loved ones and you don't connect. It's very emotional.
who knew Sohail Khan needed a hug so damn bad?
Yeah, वो भी जाग रहे हैं अंदर, देश और अलायंस में सब जाग रहे हैं 24/7.
That's my other stress. I'm like, all of the people sitting inside lock up in the alliance right now, you know, for them, what's the alliances in the house are so important. And then
Yeah.
once they get voted out and they come out and they're like, what happened?
Happened
Like, what did I miss? And they're like, oh, okay, sit down.
Yeah. But I don't like everyone like we ask each other like, would you be able to do like a reality show like this? And I feel like I can manage everything except like I need afternoon naps and they don't let you nap. Dude.
Bro,
Like, that's
one
just-
second, lockup has descended into insanity. They don't have food, they're basically starving. One entire team doesn't get namak in their food. They have to cook their own food, and like achar and all, chai coffee is banned. They have to like some coins to go to the bathroom for 15 minutes. I can't poop, shower and pee in 15 minutes.
But
like
hats off to the makers to take something that could mess you up in a contract and gamify it and make
I
it part of the
swear.
show.
Yeah,
like,
if you don't
and
give me food, I'll also behave like that.
no
only.
food, and then now they only get sleeping bags to sleep, and you can't take pillows and blankets also. So now it feels like I'm watching some horrible
footage.
like I don't want to watch it anymore because it's getting like humanitarian grounds पे उनको खाना तो खिलाओ यार. Like it's too bad. It's so I think lockup has, but you know, my thing is, how is everyone you know on a reality show? Like, what is the criteria to get Vridhi Patwa, Payal Gaming, and Ravi Kishan and Sohail Khan on the same
Yeah,
show?
it's just a khichdi. It's like how she makes desserts every night, like just random things together.
Some
Sometimes it
elements.
works, and sometimes it's a mess.
Yeah.
And sometimes some ingredient has to serve the country, so it has to leave. So it's just too much.
Are you a writer? क्या creative write किया है आपने?
I think, yeah.
Coming back to the ethics of gossiping.
Yeah.
As a professional gossiper, what have you learned through the gossiping process? When have you gotten burnt, and when have you been rewarded for your gossip?
Ooh. So I feel like in like house parties and all, like it's a very good small talk, and like immediately everyone gets to know you, and like the way you say your gossip, like you have to be chill about it, not judgmental, and like
And
add
make it a
little
fun
masala. Yeah,
story,
some
yeah.
masala has to be there, like white lies type of masala, like ooh and all, and then they're like, what? And I'm like, just kidding, and like just psych, and then take that thing, and then suddenly everybody's like, yeah, this girl seems like she knows what she's saying, and then you've opened the ground for friends who
Them
can
gossip.
potentially become best friends
And
in the future.
You know, the thing is, the more gossip you give, the more people, even if it's about other people, the more people are like, oh my god, I can trust her with my gossip, which is the antithesis of what should happen
Yeah.
technically. But then I guess they're like, इसको कितना interesting आता होगा.
Because they also feel like they owe it to you. Like when you give one gossip to someone, others are like, मुझे भी इसको वापस like कर्जा. It's like you have to give it back.
Pay it forward.
Yeah, like come on, we can't. This can't be an unequal thing. So whenever they get to know something, they'll send and I'm like, तो मुझे पता था मैं भूल गई थी तो मैं बताने
Do you think it's because of like you have to share honesty with honesty, or you're like, oh my god, I cannot seem less interesting than the person in front of me? How is she this girl with all this like gossip and I'm just a loser?
Oh yeah, I think I've
Not my feelings.
Just one.
just randomly no, I think I've not struggled with this trying to be a more because I think as stand-up comics we get that validation, so हमारा quota भर जाता है, like that I'm happy, and then I'm like ठीक है, and like everyone thinks like we are attention whores, which we are, but then we get it, and then in a party we're okay being in the corner, but then people are like अरे तुम परफॉर्म क्यों नहीं करो, तुम बात क्यों नहीं करो. There's that expectation कि you should talk, and now two people know that I know Bollywood gossip, so they'll be like अरे इससे तो बहुत आता है, and they'll be like start, and I'm like there's no like I can't just like start, like
Just
you
say,
have to
tell me about a person,
Yeah.
I'll say if I know gossip.
Yeah, like I'm like, you throw a name, then it becomes a game, and everybody's like, और इसके बारे में, like, aren't there any couples who don't cheat? And like it's, yeah, and there you see their hearts breaking, and for us now, we've heard so much that it's just normalized. So I say it also very casually, and they're just like, wow, like she's so cool about all of this that she's sharing, and I'm just like, I've just said it so many times, it doesn't matter to me. कि ठीक है यार, हो रहा है.
For me, if it's some mainstream gossip and someone asks me about it, I get genuinely irritated. I'm like, aren't you keeping up with the times? Like, this is the news at this point.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes it's boring to discuss the same thing again and again, but then they have this interest in their eye, and you're like, okay, fine, I'll match your energy.
Really?
And yeah, I'll tell you.
And is there a piece of gossip that is your SOS gossip? That this is a lore that you're like, you know, like how Joey on Friends has that one hookup
Yeah,
story.
correct.
Do you have this one piece of gossip that
There
in a
is.
struggle situation you will throw it out?
I usually I'm not struggling, but this is like one story which has really passed on. Like there are people I've met for the first time, and they'll be like, oh, we know of this story you had told this person who told us. So it like, because people can't believe it, so they just go like
Say.
crazy.
बताओ ना.
After
थोड़ा mix करके बता दो.
it this is no, it won't
won't
travel
land.
well, like Moss will get cancelled.
Okay, then we'll
Never
cut this
mind, never
part.
mind.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
this I will tell you all अच्छे से in detail.
And you were the
later on.
source? You made it up or you heard it
No,
from
no, I
some-
heard it from someone. And the thing is, everybody else also added their own masala. So when it comes back to me, I'm like, oh, सब अपना masala add करके सब कोशिश कर रहे हैं, which is good. Everybody is being creative as such.
What irritates me more is because I also have a reputation for gossip in my friend circle. And when someone is telling me the most fuck ass boring story and they're like, but don't tell anyone,
Yeah.
I'm like, first of all, in the sea of gossip that is my mind, this is a low tier gossip. So, and there's not even gossip.
Yeah.
And then, or like they'll tell me something about their life and they'll be like, don't tell anyone. But obviously, if my friend is telling me about their life, it's not
Yeah.
gossip. It's
Yeah.
news about
It's
them.
sharing.
I can divide the two in my head. I can
Correct.
compartmentalize.
Yeah, I feel people don't trust other people to understand that difference. And I'm just like, no, my EQ is better than yours. So it's a you problem. But
Yeah.
yeah, well, I'll tell other people not this about you, but that you don't understand.
I'll
this.
change the name.
Yeah. Change the name.
Okay, we have some moral dilemmas for you
Ooh,
in the
yes.
category of gossip, and we love to know what you think. And you also, you can also.
No, you
share.
can also share.
Okay,
I
I'll
can
also
read
share.
it.
Yeah.
I'll read the first.
Okay.
Okay. Pavitra,
Yes.
you are at a party and someone is sharing gossip with you and a group of people. But the details that they are sharing are all wrong. The real story is much juicier, and you know every detail of it because someone told you in confidence.
Yeah.
And you're dying to correct them, but you're sworn to secrecy. What do you do?
Ooh, this has happened actually before.
I just knew it.
It has happened, and I'm just like, what? And then like it shows on my face, and I'm just like, no, this is not right. And they're like, why? What do you know? I'm like, and I tell people I can't tell you because someone has told me, but know that this is wrong.
I would
Because
punch you.
I would punch
What do
you
you
as well.
mean? I can't tell you.
I know this really does irritate like a few
Yeah.
people, but I'm just like, I'm sorry. The thing is because I don't want like wrong gossip going around about
so give
that
the right
person.
one. Then you.
But the right one also, that person has done something wrong only. But it should be the right wrong and not
Yeah,
the wrong wrong.
the wrong wrong
And
is
the wrong
pushing
wrong
it.
is sometimes worse than the right wrong. So I was like, इतने भी बुरे नहीं है, थोड़े कम बुरे हैं. So
I feel like in that group of people, I would try to gauge who is deserving of the actual information. I wouldn't tell the full
Yeah.
group, but
Yes.
if I find one person like, listen,
yeah, that is
सिमड़ी में
true.
जाके बात
Yeah.
करते हैं.
Yeah,
that thing
one
is
or
that
two
that's
people.
so not true.
Yeah, where you can tell them that don't tell this to anyone, and they'll just tell it to one other person.
And that one other person will
Will
tell
tell
two
another
other
one.
people.
Yeah,
a pyramid
it's a
scheme.
yeah, it's a pyramid scheme.
But it's also such a bonding experience, of course, because you're sharing gossip, but also when you entrust gossip with one person, they're so special.
yeah.
Yeah, but okay, say you tell me something like, and you come and ask me to my face, like, I heard XYZ, is it true?
Hmm.
What is the ethics of that? Like, if I'm coming and asking you direct, like,
Oh.
It depends on who's asking.
Yeah, who's asking, and also the intensity of the rumor. Like
I heard X and Y broke up, and you are friends with
Oh.
X and Y.
Again, depends on who's asking.
I'm asking.
You are asking, yeah, I'll tell you the
Yeah,
truth.
we'll tell you. Like if
Yeah,
you
but
guessed
don't tell
it right.
anyone.
Yeah, if you guessed it right, and some things are like, if someone has told me कि don't tell this to anyone, but I'm like, इससे किसी का harm नहीं होने वाला है. Like chiller
use your
gossip.
own
Yeah.
discretion.
So some things I'm like, ठीक है यार, इतने में कुछ नहीं होगा. Like learn to deal with this. करना नहीं चाहिए था ना, अगर नहीं चाहिए, you wanted to go forward.
I also think that, sometimes I hear something and then I have like, 3-4 best friends max. So I'll tell the other one and be like, but if she tells you later, just pretend like you heard it for the
Yeah.
first time.
Okay, question.
Yeah.
Who do you keep more secrets of gossip from, your best friends or your boyfriend?
My boyfriend will to forget about it. But I don't differentiate between best friends and boyfriends. I fuck all of them.
All right. Should have carried my condom. My boyfriend is a secret boyfriend. There is no boyfriend, so I will.
In a hypothetical situation.
Your hotel, your
Ooh.
boyfriend.
Oh yeah, that's a toughie. I think sometimes if it's a boring day where we're not able to like make good conversation, I'm like, to keep the spice alive, I'll probably resort to it and be like, yeah, I need this. I'm struggling. That's when it'll come out.
Sometimes to push my own agenda with my boyfriend, I'll say some story about someone else and be like, this is how he acted.
You're telling him his story.
Yeah. Can you
It's like
imagine talking like that?
Like, why does he sound like me?
So my boyfriend hates listening to music in the car, and I have shit attention span, so I need something to be playing. So I just become the podcast, and in that scenario, in those drives, then I keep the podcast running.
One man show.
Yeah. You tell us one thing about Shamik, because biggest mystery.
Ooh.
We know he likes windows
I just realized he's a health freak.
and a health freak.
Yeah,
That's what.
he's a health freak who gets tempted like by but this there's a better fact. Like when Shamik and Aman moved into their house in Bandra, they took the longest time to make that house a home. I don't think it's still a home. It's been 2.5 years, and now to Aman has also left that household, and it's only Shamik out there. And they didn't have like cutlery for the longest time. Okay, like there was no cutlery, and we used to go and chill there because like Bandra home and like no parents, so that was like our adda to chill. And we would go there, and if food has come, then there are like two spoons that the delivery partner has, and we're like, "अब मुझे झूठा नहीं खाना है, मुझे share नहीं करना," and you have to wait till the other people. It's like puff pass, you're like eat pass, you're passing your spoons around. So then I gifted them a cutlery set.
You're so sweet.
So did Aman take it with him when he got married, or it's in the house?
No, it's there because Shrija will have her own cutlery set. Yeah, she's kept them happy as such.
Shamik, that is insane.
Yeah, they did. They both of them. They didn't have gas for the longest time.
I do remember they didn't even have curtains, he was saying in one episode.
Yeah, they didn't
Of
have
something.
curtains, and he says no to every plan. Wow, I'm just bitching about
Yeah,
this one.
I love it.
We never specified that you have to give us negative facts.
And
He
those are
gives
the
the
only ones
best
that are
hugs.
coming. वो नहाती नहीं है, वो dessert हो रहा है, और वो हर plan को ना बोल रहा है.
Now I just have this visual of Shamik waking up every morning eating like chana.
Sitting on the floor.
possible. Yeah. You might, but I think because of him, I realized I don't want to be a tall person. Like I always wanted to be tall as such. Like there are moments that I still feel, but I see him struggling like in cars and like not everything's hitting, and
Yeah.
I'm like, thank God I'm this height.
But to be fair, there are like 10 degrees between Shamik and
Yeah, that
tall. Like he's like the other end of the spectrum of tall.
That is true. But I
Yeah.
wanted to be that tall. I
That
just felt
tall?
like my sports would be like so much better. Like I would just be like smashing everyone. So
Are you tying this back to comedy, badminton?
yes, my badminton league, it's very important. We used to tell like Shamik that play on your knees, this is unfair, because he could just like smash in even at his knee level. Like he was almost our height, and like he actually goes down on his knees when Shreya and I are talking to him. And Shreya has this thing, if somebody is going like this, she thinks, oh, somebody's really into the conversation, so she also goes down, and she keeps going down, and he keeps going down, and he's like, can you stand? I'm going down because y'all are short. And she's like, oh, she thought like we're huddling and like gossiping or something. Yeah, this whole short and tall people thing is very tough.
That's so funny you say that because tall people always get told they have a disadvantage in sports.
Oh,
Which sport?
Like judo. The one I played.
I think that's the only sport probably in which it's
No,
disadvantages.
like otherwise what advantage?
Like badminton, you can smash.
Swimming. You're like half the pool you've covered just by your
Yeah.
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है भाई.
basketball.
basketball,
उधर ही तो
All the
है.
basketball players I know are short.
football,
Football also.
You fall from a higher height.
but you run further.
पाव तो नीचे ही है ना.
Both get there, bro. After watching this World Cup, I'm like, football is a
What?
contact sport.
But they also like pretend, right, so that the other team gets a foul. They're all
Yeah.
fakesters.
Yeah.
All of them.
Actors.
Rage baiting.
Okay. At the office party, your boss gets very drunk and tells you all the details about upcoming layoffs. The next day, they realize their mistake and offer you a promotion with a huge pay bump that would change your life if you don't tell anyone what he told you. Do you tell your teammates or do you take the offer?
Ooh, very nice one. So the good person in me is like tell them, but also the greedy person in me is kind of stronger right now. I'll take the money and I'll encourage my friends to start searching for a new job. Like basically I'll make them do what they're supposed to do.
Oh, I thought you would like encourage them to like figure out the information on their own.
Yeah, but kind of. So like I'm just like, I feel you deserve better. This place is like not for you and everything. So they are ready with their new job, and when that comes in, they're just like, wow, are you like telepathically?
Psychic. And your
then-
boss will just be like, Good
Yeah,
job.
and then when they're like upset, if they're upset about leaving this job, I'll have the money to take them out and make them feel better. Just the kind
Get them
human
some
that
dessert.
I am. Yeah.
What about
What
you?
would you do?
Me.
Oh.
If I had to take the job, if I had to take the pay bump, then I would leave like anonymous letters, like cut out words from the
Ooh,
newspaper and
paper.
stick it
She's made
as a
this
well
also
wisher.
like an artist. It
Yeah.
has to look nice and aesthetic. But then the boss will know it's you only, na? But they have not reached the
Why?
leadership.
Have you never seen when a hostage letter is written with newspaper clippings that you can't
I'll
tell?
wait for the boss. Actually, I'll make the boss. I'll get him or her.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's a him because only him will make such
Yeah,
a
yeah.
stupid mistake. So I'll get him drunk again, and then I'll be like, "Oh God, you told this to more people," and then I'll gaslight them into thinking they've only told people.
You don't have to get him drunk again. Just be like, I don't have a secret because you already told everyone last night.
To be fair, if he put on email that I am giving you this pay bump on the condition that you shut your mouth, he will never put that on email. So you take
Yeah.
the thing and then you tell everyone anyway.
So,
And then you transfer departments.
whoa, like that isn't that much more work for me? I have to learn a new skill.
No. Yeah, but you're getting more money.
I would just take the pay bump and not tell anyone. Each
Ooh.
man for himself in the workplace. They're not my
Alright.
friends, they're my teammates.
Yeah, like take the.
Says the girl. Never spent one day in corporate.
Yeah.
Oh,
they're
not
my-
even one. But like she's your co-worker.
She's my business partner.
So tomorrow, if someone gave you some information against me for a price, you would take it?
No.
Yeah, because that's what happens in corporate.
You
Your
become
colleagues
friends,
are your
yeah.
friends.
Yeah, but this is not a money making business. If someone offered me like 10 crores and they were like, but you have to kick Naina out of moment of silence, I would not take it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And 20?
No,
100?
not at all.
What? Girl, y'all could start a new podcast and name it something else.
Yeah, but I would not, I can't take that disrespect.
Oh,
that
that is
disrespect
true.
against
She'll
my
take a
partner's
moment of
priceless.
silence, but not money for silence.
You can't
She's
pay
in
me.
the whole slogans mode.
You know, it's like there's that viral tweet which is like, for $8,000, I will shut the fuck up. And I did the math and I was like, I absolutely won't shut the fuck up for $8,000.
Anything. Oh, yeah. $8,000 is less. Like,
To shut the fuck up,
yeah,
like,
that's a lot.
absolutely not.
We need more.
Yeah. How much would you shut the fuck up for?
I think in crores तो I need like rupees वाले
हाँ.
crores. Then I'll be like ठीक है कुछ invest करने लायक भी तो thousands में क्या ही मैं अपने CA को बोलूँगी मैं investor को बोलूँगी कि शी मैम थोड़ा रुको जमा होने दो फिर हम डालते हैं कहीं पे like should be little
How much to get one of your best friends ka gossip out? Like one of their core gossips.
I think there I will like I'll be like how you are towards Naina where I'll be like मैं नहीं बिकूँगी.
Really?
Yeah, but if I can get their permission, then
You find out later. Like a reality show.
No, then I won't sell my ethics because I think I won't trust that person also कि ऐसे थोड़ी ना इतना पैसे थोड़ी ना देंगे because none of my friends are that popular also that कोई इतने पैसे फेंकेंगे उसके ऊपर. So I'm like ये तो trap है. And then they'll put it out and be like वो नहीं बिकी and then I'll be like alright.
And then you'll have even more best friends. You're
Yeah.
like, Pavitra is the best person in the world.
But what you won't have is money.
Oh yeah, that's true. But then I have so many best friends who I have like my friends had actually done this calculation कि if every friend of mine, close friend, gives like 10 rupees or 100 rupees a month, then I can survive off that.
What?
So like
if you don't
basic.
have cutlery and a curtain,
you can just like send in 100 bucks and like if you have like say 100 good friends who
She
can
has 100 good friends.
like at least 100 रुपए देने लायक तो 100 लोग तो मिलेंगे ही ना
हाँ,
100-200 तो
100
आराम
रुपए देने
से
लायक 100 लोग मिल जाएंगे.
yeah like 20k I think I can make उधर से only
मेरे को
so-
तो नहीं मिलेंगी.
क्या बोल रही है?
क्या बोल
100
हम ही
rupees,
दे
हाँ.
देंगे हम तो 200 दे सकते हैं चल on a good week 300
But
भी
your whatever secret I've told anyone, please, if you're getting money, you can sell the secret.
Ooh.
Like I have
and
no.
then share the
Yeah, or no, just take me out for dinner. Like, but I'm okay even if y'all get money. I've not done only that much. Can have a tight secret.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, whatever we do Friday आके यहाँ पे
बाकी
बोल
देते.
Like, you can refer to episodes for the details of the gossip.
there's nothing left.
Yeah, but what if like a close friend like gave you gossip, and then now your friendship with that person is broken. Now, do you still feel the need to keep their secret a secret? And they were a bitch to you.
I've been on both sides. One where I'm like, fuck this person. None of her information is, no, actually not her. None of his information is important to me.
Huh.
And I'm like, ये ऐसा है, ये
हाँ.
ऐसा है.
पता है उसने क्या किया?
आज सुनाती हूँ. And then on the other side, I'm like, okay, this is a very sacred piece of information that goes beyond our friendship and
Sure.
even to a question of humanity.
Oh,
I'll keep
fair.
it.
Yeah.
I'll only tell 3 people on humanitarian ground.
On humanitarian grounds, she's like, मैं कमी नहीं बनूंगी, but 10% कमी
Yeah.
नहीं. Yeah, fair.
You?
So this has happened to me. I've only had one friendship breakup, like proper, and they were like a proper bitch to me and all. So I was like trying to protect like a dumb detail only about their life, and then my friends were like, "You shouldn't be like as an exercise. Just say it. Like it'll relieve you of
Me
something."
trying to convince you to
Yeah.
That
reveal
sounds like a
info.
full gaslight.
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah, like my.
As an exercise, just tell us. Just tell us. Right now, you must say it.
It's just but it actually did help me because I think I was like a little like still that I felt like I owed that person, and I felt a connection still that I'm keeping her secret still safe. So I felt like मैं इतनी अच्छी हूँ और फिर भी वापस like I thought वो sorry बोलने आएगी और फिर fix हो जाएगा, but then nothing happened. So then when I said it, I actually felt like now though I've also been a bitch to her, so she shouldn't come back to me and say sorry. And then it became real in my head that we'll never be friends. So which was
Yeah.
a tough
Who
one
is
for
this?
me. This I'll tell you again, names and all for
Arey
sure.
yaar.
But
We'll
yeah.
drop all the information down in the description.
Nobody's watching the episode. They just like read the description. वहाँ पे सब लिखा है. Yeah.
At a family gathering, your aunt pulls you aside and tells you something about your parents' marriage that you never knew. Something like your dad was previously married very briefly and your mom was the other woman.
Ooh.
She seems to think you already knew. She begs you not to ask your parents about it, otherwise, she'll be in trouble. Do you ask your parents or do you pretend nothing happened?
I would be very impressed, first of all, that my mom was the other woman. And I would be like, yo, go mom. But I would definitely ask them, dude. I would
Really?
be like, at first I would discuss with my brother and then thoda bitch and all about auntie and parents की क्या चल रहा है सब कुछ. Like हमको क्या बोल रहे हो तुम लोग की रंग रलियां क्या ही चल रही है.
नाम खराब करके
नाम
आ जाते
खराब
हो
कर रहे हो.
खानदान का.
By the way, this is like I have like accused my mom of cheating because like my dad is a dentist and we were at his clinic, and right opposite his clinic there is a house where clothes were hanging and there was a gown which my mom has the same gown, and I was like क्या कर रही थी तू तेरे कपड़े क्यों सूख रहे हैं? And she's like, would I stay so close to your father's clinic if I was cheating?
And go there and wash clothes.
Clothes and hang it on the
So
side.
sexy.
That's
What
so
a-
like in
what
your
an
face.
affair.
And I also thought that she had a thing with Sanjay Kapoor. Like I could not fathom that my mother could have a crush on another man when I was a child. So Aati nahi was there and used to do this, and my mom could not like. She was like, "Aati hai, mujhe to aati hai, jo bhi tujhe nahi aa rahi hai," and like she would really gush over him, and I'm just like, "You can't do this to my dad." Like it's like I have this thing. I was so proper, very like I was sexist. I think I was like I'm not okay with my mom gushing over another man. And a man gushing, I'm like ये तो करते ही है ना, इनको तो allowed है ना.
Your mom is like, who is this auntie living in my
मेरी
house?
सासू माँ मेरी बेटी में कैसे आ गई. So,
That I was wondering when you came in and your keys were tied to your pallu.
like on my chaddi because I'm in a dress. So they're like, ये छंछन आवाज पायल तो है ही नहीं." And just like belly dancing in the middle of they're like, what's that sound? Just A lot of shimming.
See, these kinds of moments don't come very often in your life when you have dirt on your parents.
Yeah.
So then you have to take that moment and find one,
The right time to strike.
yeah, and a trade.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, so like when you make a mistake later on, and then you can use it against them.
Or
but
if
you
you're like,
also-
then you're like, okay, I want to move out of the house or something like a big trade.
I don't think my dad can find two women that find him attractive. All due respect to the man.
Firstly, we don't know what kind of rizzlers our parents were before
No,
they
I
had
know.
children.
One time I have said
No,
the
I know.
story.
No, you
Bro,
don't.
She's like my tea.
one time I asked my dad, like, what age did you have your first kiss? And he said, lip to lip. I was like, yuck, stop it. And my mom also was like, she got the age.
Which
like,
is
I'm gonna sleep in
fine.
the guest room.
हमने तो cheek to cheek ही किया है
भाई,
तभी
they-
तो साक्षी आई थी।
मतलब खत लिखने में किस नहीं होता.
मेरे बाप नहीं
Yeah.
लिख सकता.
Yeah.
Sorry, my father cannot write a letter.
My dad would have written, but very bad handwriting. No one will
Doctor.
understand. Yeah, it's just horrid. He would not understand his own handwriting. Also, only the seriously only chemists understand their handwriting. It's
एक
tough
सर
thing.
आपके प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखा है डोलो 360 फॉर दिल का दर्द.
और मेरी बीवी मुझ पे चीट कर रही है और बाजू में ही रह रही है।
उसका गाउन सूख रहा है.
Yeah. But I told my mom, if you're cheating, can you like find a richer man this time? Let's do it right.
Maybe someone with a washer dryer.
Just let's fix all the issues that we have in our current life and like
I like
help
how-
dad out also with his loans and like just like let's relieve everybody a little bit.
I like how in your scenario also your mom has gone over to seduce a man in that same gown she wears in her house with kids.
And I don't know, like with gowns, this reminds me, like when my mom asks me, how is this? And I'll be like, no, this is very auntie. I don't know why I use auntie like it's a
Bad word.
bad word and not a compliment. And she's like, but I am auntie. I said, no, you gotta dress young. But she's like, I'm not young. I said, no, you can't be auntie. And I don't know what other word to use, which is woke and the correct way to do it. I'm just like,
And
I feel like
suddenly
it
felt
brings
Cyrus broach and can I say all this nowadays?
Yes, Cyrus. But the thing is, Cyrus has verbal diarrhea. Right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
he'll keep talking, and everyone. Like I remember the first time I'd gone on his podcast, so I'd asked people, like I was like, oh my god, I'm going on like Cyrus. I'm like legit and everything, and they're like, see, he talks a lot, so ensure you say something. Otherwise, like so when I went to immediately, I spoke continuously for 1 minute, and I'm like, I told my friends I'm coming. There should be something that I have said, and he was like, oh, and then he continued talking. Then there was the whole Me Too movement that happened, and they were like, oh, we want a female comedian to come and talk about this. So I said, only if Cyrus lets me talk. Isme, he can't have more things to say about than me.
You can't slap an ass every now and Not Cyrus. Cyrus
Not
didn't say
Cyrus,
that.
Yeah. So then he was also like, yeah, cool, I'll let you know. And it's an episode where I've spoken more than Cyrus. So
Yeah.
I'm like, take that, Cyrus. Yeah, very sweet. He
One
was
step
like, yeah,
for
you
Pavitra.
say. And fewer words for Cyrus. Just yeah, what are we talking about? Yeah, gowns and
Gowns
auntie.
and auntie.
Yeah, should we come up with a word?
Yeah, what is the word for something? Because sometimes it's like it's the wrong word, but the emotion, like they get it
Yeah.
immediately that not nice. Because if I say this is not looking good, she'll fight it and she'll be like, no, but when I say it directly, she'll be like, yeah.
What
okay.
about austere?
austere?
Yeah.
Austere. Isn't that something you use for jewelry?
Is it? I don't know. Shreya, can you please.
Let us. Is it your word of the day? I hope it is.
What does austere mean?
Isn't
I
it
would-
pure? Isn't like
I have no idea.
Very simple without decoration.
oh, very simple without decoration.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Mature.
Mature.
I would say, why would you dress yourself down like that?
Yeah, fair.
It's like my favorite to use, which I think you can only use on men, is like, is this a choice? Is
a
this
circumstance?
intentional?
Yeah, this I asked like single men when they come and they sit in the front row. I was like, was this a choice or a circumstance?
Did your mom pick out your outfit?
But it's so cute when like your mom gets dressed, okay, and it'll be like a micro change when she's
Yeah.
dressed up. Like she's worn one gold bangle,
Yeah.
you know, and she's taken her hair back, and she's so excited. And you're like, is this a choice?
No, you can't say that to mom.
Moms,
Yeah.
yeah. But even I'm someone like that. I don't really dress up much. So like for me, even like a small change, everyone is like, whoa, तुझे किसी
Yeah.
पे प्यार whatever हो गया है क्या? And I'm just like, and then, like because my makeup is also lipstick. Okay, that's it. Then on a good day, I'll put like blush or something, and it's like full lal, and they're like, oh, what is she? Like, it's too much. That time, that's why I avoid only. So even I'll put like one gold bangle, and everyone's like, yeah. And the thing is, I used to always feel like multiple bangles look good, and then my mom got a diamond bracelet made for me, like her thing of like passing it on.
After
and
you
I
accused her of cheating.
whoever knew daddy is, thank you. And she gave it to me, and I'm like, इसके 10 अगर साथ में होते तो अच्छे होते. She's like, 10 होते तो मैं यहाँ नहीं होती, मैं कहीं और होती. तो like relax. So मैं नहीं पहनती वो diamond. एक कौन पहनता है? Ew. So yeah, even I'm whatever you were describing about your mom, I could relate to that.
My sister's like that, and I'm like, you know, first she was like, can you give me a basic makeup look? So I said, yeah, you only need like 5 products. And she was like, 5 products? But 5 is, I think, a decent number of products.
I don't mind if someone's doing it to me. Like I'll just sit and then like I'm like touch my face, like whatever, do
Okay.
brush wash karte raho, like मुझे तो नींद
मेरी
आती
आंखें
है.
बंद है.
Yeah, do it, and then I open and I'm like, why do I look like it's very shocking. Like I've not
Yeah.
seen myself like that. So others are like, wow, you're looking so good, and I'm just like, ew, who is this person? Like I can't recognize them. So
Then one thing about Aishwarya,
Held on to the-
yeah, this is
I'm
why-
stitching on the edit.
which all person. Aishwarya, so she
We got नाती नहीं है, cutlery नहीं है, dessert
dessert
whole.
खाते रहते हैं. और Aishwarya, what is not online? So Aishwarya also shares a lot. Like that's why a lot of people have a parasocial relationship with her, and like so it's just that I know about what she's going to share 4-5 months beforehand. So then it comes later on, and I was like, मुझे तो already पता as such.
You're like the nepo friend. Like you're like,
Yeah,
I knew this.
I knew it.
You
But
should also
yes,
do a series like Ori with like your hand on everyone's
every
chest.
person. Actually, I can be an Ori, but I'll
No.
choose another body part so that it's different. And Ori is like, why didn't I think of this genius move? When I have 2 hands, why am I using only one? देश अगर बदलेगा तो दो हाथ से ताली भी बजती है और लोगों के साथ पोज भी किया जाता है. And it's down and up both.
And it's
like,
pretty
depending.
gender fluid.
That's right.
Every gender has an ass.
That's right. And front side, don't forget. Up and down, lot to grab. But yeah, Aishwarya is morbid. Like she in
Morbid.
dark situations, like she can laugh. Like when things are like really serious, she will laugh, and it can look very crazy at the moment, but it's very funny. So she's that person. She will laugh in the wrong time.
Aishwarya got the best edit from
Yeah.
Pavitra's brain. What about Jia?
Gia, Gia is
Pavitra's scared.
yeah, Gia is someone everybody's scared of. Like men are petrified of her, and I love it because like whenever I'm in a show and there is like a man heckling, I'm like, channelize your inner Gia, and then suddenly I'm like, kya bola? Like मेरी छाती सीधा हो जाता है. I was like, like it's that. But she's someone who always prepares because she's like one of the older women in the circuit. I'm being kind to her. She old bitch. I call her senior comic. And I was like, इनका छड़ी लेके she's like Sally. So she will prep all of us girls and she'll be like, so your next 5 years, this is what it's gonna be, and this. So like she told me how periods will get worse and perimenopause and like a white pubic hair and just like everything. Like she's prepping us for things which would have shocked me, but now when it happens, I'm like, Gia is right. So she's a part of all my growing
Thoughts.
moments. I'm like, Gia's right.
Will my stomach hair become white?
Ooh, I'll ask Gia and get back to you. But that's
Gia?
actually good, right? Then it like we don't.
Yeah, I'm
need to, like,
hoping.
yeah.
It was a. If my arm
was a
hair
hope.
becomes white, it was a plea. If my arm and
Salt
leg
and,
hair become
pepper
white,
look.
yeah.
Ooh, I would like a salt and pepper look here.
No,
The
I would
thing
like a
is,
salt look.
When you get that salt, sometimes it just like grows in a random place, right? Like you'll get like one back hair, you'll get like one hair that comes
Yeah.
out of your.
I only get white hair here.
For now.
Oh,
For now, yeah.
Yeah.
But this is the worst place to get it first, yeah.
like inner layers में मेरा है तो मैं छुपा के
हाँ.
फिर हेयर बैंड डाल के सब I'm like अंदर and every time I go to the salon
Well,
they're
like-
like maybe you should start
You don't-
once you start it's
It's like, all my guy friends, which I never realized, sometimes when you're entering a place, that you open the door and that gust of
Yeah.
wind comes, all the guys start holding their hair.
it's just immediate baldness, no? Oh, but also now nasal hair becoming white. I saw it in one of my guy friends' nose and I was like, oh no, this sucks. Like
He's telling you a really sad story. And just
I'm
fix
just
it.
like, hello.
Your friend tells you that a mutual friend has been saying unkind things about you behind your back. She's telling you because she feels you deserve to know. But she's begging you not to confront anyone because she and the mutual work together and it will directly affect her business if things blow up. She has put herself at risk to tell you, do you respect your friend's position and swallow it or do you confront?
Swallow it. Sorry.
Spit or swallow.
Sorry, I didn't hear any of the. No, I heard. What am I, a man? I heard everything. But this also has happened. It's like I all like looking into my life. But in this case, so I do respect like her decision, and the thing is I've realized like some people can change and some people will not, and some people don't matter to me that I don't need to change them. Like sometimes like if I'm like with a customer service and they are being horrible to me, I'll try to explain to them what is wrong nicely, and then they don't get it and they'll keep fighting, and after one point I'm like आप मेरे हस्बैंड तो नहीं हो, आपको इम्प्रूव करके मुझे कुछ मिलने नहीं वाला है तो मैं काट रही हूँ. लाइक इट्स दैट. सो देयर आर सम फ्रेंड्स आई विल बी लाइक इट्स बेटर टू गिव अप ऑन and I'll reduce my interaction with them. Like if it was 100 earlier, I'm like 30 is good. 30 में मुझे भी मज़ा आता है उनके साथ. मैं इतना रखूँगी, तुम भी खुश रहो, मैं भी खुश रहूँ, मेरी दोस्त भी
The
खुश
best
रहे.
part is when you start removing your attention from a certain kind of friend, they have no. They don't clock it.
They don't
They don't.
realize.
You think you're doing some big
Yeah.
satyagraha, you know?
But I'm like that. Like someone could be fuming and they won't
Yeah.
reach out, and then whenever I feel like reaching out, I'll be like, "What's up?" Like, it doesn't affect me.
Yeah, and that's a great sign that they were never meant to be a friend. That they didn't even notice your your absence.
But I love those friends that you don't have to be in touch with every day.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
okay, but like not realizing something is wrong. Like if you met the person and like say suppose you're being a little pagro or like you've suddenly distanced.
Pagro is
Shut the fuck
crazy.
up.
Pagro.
What is it? Not a. I thought it's a millennial thing, right? Like pagro is our thing, right?
I've never heard pagro.
Passive
We
aggressive.
know- I
got
know
it.
what
We got it. Yeah, sorry. You were saying
You are not familiar with the concept.
passive aggressive.
Yeah, sometimes when you're pagro.
If someone's being
Yeah.
passive aggressive, I get damn irritated.
Yeah.
Either be aggressive or shut up.
Yeah, that is true. Like it's very confusing, which like because of my OCD, I to overthink when someone's like, are they being or are they just trying to be funny or were they just busy so they couldn't like, send a proper emoji or whatever, because then there's no like tone reading to the conversation. So I tell people like if you're upset, you tell me and say that okay, you need time and I will respond later. Just let me know you respond later, because some people just go off the grid and then in my head I'm like khatam dosti and then it's like whatever. So this knowing that a reply will come later makes me feel at peace. I've gotten better at handling it, but earlier I used to just be like, how can friendships end? Now I have come to terms that friendships can end and I'm okay with it.
As a neurodivergent person, is there special steps that your friends can take into consideration when being friends with you that make you feel more comfortable?
Ooh, yeah. So I tell all my friends about it because I feel like if they know, then they won't mess my things around. Like some will try to be like, oh, क्या होगा अगर हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, and then they've done it, and then they've seen my panic attack, and then they couldn't like live with it, and then I was like, you saw now what happened? Like literally, like a friend was just like continuously playing with my bag, and he was pushing it up, and in my head everything is shifting inside, and I kept saying please don't do it, don't do it, and he kept doing it. And we were at like a Hyderabad bus stop waiting for the bus to come. Like we were poor back then, like just started working and all. I have opened my entire bag on the road and I have removed things, and like this hijra had come over there to beg for money, and they were trying to be aggressive, and I was just like, not now. Even they got scared. They were just like, okay, you win this round, and walked away. And my friend immediately went, got chocolates, everything, like how to apologize to her. So yeah, friends have seen that side, and they try to avoid, and sometimes they go above and beyond, and that they're okay to like harm themselves. Like my flatmates, who were also my very good friends in Chennai, they would like try to ensure that my bed doesn't shake, which is on the floor. And again, we were poor back then, and they would jump over it in such a way I was like, they would have fallen and like hurt their head, and I'm like, listen, blood is more difficult to clean. So, like, can we
Please,
just can you it's okay if this happens. So yeah, it helps. I to tell them so that they know what to do, and they keep asking questions, so they know how my psyche is. So like even with like if there's a fight or someone is upset, like it affects us like way more. Like we overthink it way more, and it's like, oh, go into full guilt mode. And that's why I stopped being confrontational. I was like, उनको पता ही नहीं होगा तो क्या ही होगा. Like I'll deal with everything. मेरे दिमाग में put the problem statement, solution, everything. So then now they are more understanding. So yeah, just keep asking questions. It's
Awesome.
yeah, but not too many also. Like
Yeah.
relax.
Just the right amount of questions.
It's not a science paper.
Ending with classic millennial pagro. Pavitra Shetty, everybody. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
And please watch out for our IP. We are linking all of Pavi's socials down below. Is there anything you want to plug?
My UPI account. It's send crores.
100 rupees.
100 rupees per month. And
Bye, guys.